In this video, we will be going over how to set up your VNS3 LNKe controller in AWS. The same process applies for VNS3 LNKe running on any other cloud provider. VNS3 LNKe was created as a replacement for AWS Transit Gateways, providing multi-cloud connectivity and saving money on data transit costs, all while providing additional networking features and visibility to your cloud topology. Here is a diagram of our current configuration. We have 3 different VPCs in AWS and a customer VNet in Azure. There is a VNS3 hub in the middle. The customer VNet and West VPC already have LNKes created and are linked into the hub VNS3 controller. For visual reference, we will be linking in the LNKe controller in the East VPC on the bottom right of this diagram. Let's begin. First, navigate to your AWS console. For this demo, we have already launched a VNS3 LNKe controller in the East VPC. We highly recommend associating an elastic IP to your LNKe controller. This provides flexibility in the event you need to upgrade or if there's an underlying cloud failure. Ensure that source destination checking is disabled. To confirm this, select the instance. Go to Networking in the Actions drop-down menu, change source destination checking. Confirm this is stopped, then save. We have already created a security group with the necessary rules. You will need TCP port 8000 open for web UI access. We recommend only opening this to the IP you will be accessing the web UI from. UDP port 51820 will be used for the WireGuard connection that creates the link to the VNS3 hub. In your web browser, navigate to the public IP associated with your LNKe controller using HTTPS on port 8000. You will arrive at the VNS3 login page. The default username is VNS3, and in AWS, the default password is the instance ID. We recommend changing this password before moving forward. The LNKe license includes one client pack credential for the VNS3 overlay network. This allows you to connect a workstation for purposes of remote administration and routable access to your cloud topology. To link our LNKe controller to the hub VNS3, navigate to the hub controller's web UI. You can see on the status page that the link to the customer in Azure and the West AWS VPC links are already connected. Your LNKe controller requires a client pack configuration file from your primary controller to create the connection. You can find the client pack file on the client packs page in the VNS3 web UI. You can provide a name and other tags if you wish. Select the Linux config and copy the client pack configuration to your clipboard. Go back to the LNKe controller. Under Connections, select the Links tab. Select New Link. Name the link. Specify a link interface and paste in the client pack contents from your clipboard. Then create link. This will take a couple seconds to connect. If you would like to route traffic from other instances or services in the East VPC where the LNKe resides, we will need to add the necessary routes in your AWS route table. For this demo, we have already created the necessary routes based on the diagram. We have a route to the hub VNS3 subnet, the Azure VNet, and the West VPC. These routes should have the VNS3 LNKe instance's ENI as the target. Links to additional information and documentation can be found in the description of this video. If you have any questions, please email Cohesive support at support@cohesive.net.